How to start a food bank. Number 1. Find a place to store the food. The amount of donations you receive may vary throughout the year, so find a place large enough to accommodate the intake. If you're working with a local church or homeless shelter, they may have a spare pantry or other room that you can fill with food donations. If you are operating on your own, you may be able to start by storing things in your basement or garage. Number 2. Reach out to organizations in your area for food donations. Working with churches, schools, and local government agencies can help bring in food donations. These organizations can also recommend people in need of food supplies to help you build up a client base in your community. If there are other food banks in your area, notify them of your operation. Some banks may have food surpluses that you may be able to purchase, or they may be able to share helpful professional tips. Number 3. Hold meetings with prospective clients. Clients are the individuals and families who will be coming to your food bank to receive food. Follow up with clients that were recommended to you by other nearby organizations. You can also post flyers or advertisements around town to reach out in your community. Then, ask people who would like food assistance to meet with you. This will help you better assess the food-based needs of your community. Figure out how many people and families you'll be providing food to, what kind of foods they need, and how often you should distribute. Number 4. Gather necessary food consumption information from clients. Ask individuals who use your service to write down their dietary needs, the size of their families, and any food allergies. These records can help you better assess what to prepare for them. You can also learn about what sort of food supplies you'll need to gather in general. It's okay to ask how long an individual or family will need food assistance for, or what led to them needing food assistance in the first place. Often it's because of an injury or an illness. Remember to be respectful, though. Treat the talk more like a conversation than an interview. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.